Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. This was a group build for a Facebook model group I'm in, and I'd like to show you my final build on this. Much different than the box there. So here we have the 1969 Mach 1. I use custom wheels and tires, as you can see. Has pretty much stock running gear and interior. Has a custom paint job. I used custom 1969 Ohio plates that I got off eBay. That is a Tamiya blue with Tamiya silver and I forget which red it is, but Tamiya red on top there in the middle. And that's a Tamiya French blue for the interior with the flat black inserts and stuff. And came out very good. I like the way it came out. It's very custom. I just didn't want to do a blue Mustang, because I got too many of them. I believe this kit was, when I bought it, was originally kit bashed with the Shelby, because if you noticed, it has a roll bar. Let me see if I can get in there. I don't know if you can see it right there. Let's see. Well, you can. It had a roll bar like the '69 Shelby. So I don't know if you guys would know. I haven't built that Shelby kit in a while, but if that comes with a roll bar in the interior, you guys could let me know. Let me show you the engine. You got that big Cobra jet in there, and came out very good. I really like it, and had a lot of fun doing it. So I'm going to put pictures at the end of the video, and I hope you guys like what you see, and thanks for watching, guys. All right.